Fuller has over 20 years of experience with OK Mills,
which offer optimal operation with cement, slag and raw materials.
Fuller OK Mills use 30 to 50% less energy than ball mill systems.
And a simple layout and fewer machines in the mill circuit ensure high run factors and low maintenance costs. The mill is fed at a constant speed through a rotary sluice and provides excellent drying capabilities and a highly efficient separator. OK mills are designed and optimized using computational fluid dynamics.
The Fuller OK Mills combines the grinding, drying and separation processes into one unit.
This space-saving design reduces civil construction and installation costs, as all of the prefabricated mill components can be quickly and easily assembled on-site. OK mills are manufactured using only the best components and trustworthy partners. Flexible mill design allows for a variety of drive solutions. A range of power options is available, extending up to 13,200 kilowatts.
The Fuller OK Mill uses pressure and shear,
generated between the rollers and the rotating table to crush clinker and additives. Feed material is directed onto the grinding table by the feed chute. The mill is prepared for high-pressure grinding up to 1,040 kilonewton per square meter, where the applications call for it. The rotation of the grinding table accelerates the material towards the grinding track and passes it under the rollers. The inner part of the patented grooved roller profile evens out and consolidates the material before it continues to the next roller. The outer part creates highly concentrated grinding pressure, allowing air to escape through the middle groove. Partially ground material passes into the hot gas stream, which also provides drying capability, and moisture in the materials evaporates almost immediately. The separator allows material that has reached the required fineness to leave the mill, while it rejects oversized material and sends it back to the table for further grinding. Process gases enter the mill through the inlet ducts, and fresh feed enters the mill through a rotary air sluice. Final product is collected in a bag filter. Total time for material to pass through the mill to collection in the bag filter is less than 2 minutes. With well over 100 sold to date, the OK Mill has earned its reputation as the ultimate solution, in part because we continually develop the mill to ensure it stays at the forefront of technology.